Imagine hitting the open road, but instead of a massive gas-guzzling RV, you're cruising in a compact, efficient, and ultra-unique Camper Tricycle RV. It's the perfect blend of mobility, adventure, and sustainability, built for solo travelers or couples who crave freedom without the hassle of maneuvering a giant motorhome. A Camper Tricycle RV is exactly what it sounds like, a three-wheeled vehicle that doubles as a cozy, functional living space. Unlike traditional RVs, this micro-camper is designed for efficiency. It's lightweight, easy to park, and incredibly fuel-efficient, making it the ideal choice for city explorers and off-the-grid adventurers alike. Now, let's talk about its design. Picture a sleek, futuristic tricycle frame with a fully enclosed cabin. The front resembles a modern scooter or motorcycle, while the rear expands into a small but cleverly designed living area. Inside, space is maximized with foldable beds, compact storage compartments, and even a tiny kitchenette. Some models even feature solar panels, ensuring that you can stay off the grid while keeping your devices powered. One of the biggest advantages of a Camper Tricycle RV is its cost-effectiveness. Traditional RVs can cost tens of thousands of dollars, not to mention the high maintenance fees and fuel expenses. But with a tricycle camper, you get an affordable alternative that consumes significantly less fuel or, in some cases, runs entirely on electric power. Plus, insurance and registration fees are much lower than those of a full-sized motorhome. But the real magic happens when you take it on the road. Imagine weaving through traffic with ease, squeezing into parking spots that a traditional RV could never fit into, and taking scenic backroads without worrying about tight corners or low bridges. This level of flexibility means you can take your adventures anywhere, from bustling urban centers to remote countryside hideaways. For those who love the outdoors, this camper is a dream come true. Need a break? Just pull over, extend the sleeping area, and relax under the stars. Many Camper Tricycle RVs come with an awning or even a pop-up tent extension, giving you extra space for cooking, lounging, or enjoying nature. It's camping with a whole new level of comfort and convenience. What about safety? You might be wondering if a three-wheeled camper is stable enough for long journeys. The good news is that these vehicles are designed with a low center of gravity and sturdy suspension, ensuring a smooth and balanced ride. Some models even include a tilt mechanism, allowing the vehicle to lean into turns just like a regular motorcycle, making handling feel natural and intuitive. Now, let's talk about features. Some high-end models come with climate control, built-in GPS, and even a tiny bathroom setup with a foldable toilet and compact shower. While space is limited, smart engineering ensures that you have everything you need for a comfortable journey. The interior is often designed with modular furniture, meaning you can convert seating areas into sleeping spaces, or even tuck them away to create extra storage. And for the tech-savvy traveler, imagine outfitting your tricycle camper with Wi-Fi capabilities, smart lighting, and a high-quality sound system. Whether you're working remotely or just streaming your favorite music while you drive, the Camper Tricycle RV can be customized to fit your lifestyle. Another major perk is sustainability. With the rise of electric and hybrid models, many Camper Tricycle RVs are being built with eco-friendly materials and renewable energy sources. Some even feature regenerative braking, solar charging, and energy-efficient appliances, making them a fantastic option for the environmentally conscious traveler. But let's not forget the fun factor. Driving one of these is an experience in itself. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a conversation starter. Imagine pulling into a campsite or a roadside diner and having people flock around, asking about your unique vehicle. It's a blend of futuristic design and practical living that turns heads wherever you go. The customization possibilities are endless. Want a minimalist aesthetic? Go for a sleek, modern interior with neutral tones and LED lighting. Prefer a more rugged, off-road look? Add knobby tires, roof racks, and a reinforced frame for tougher terrain. Whether you're a city dweller looking for weekend escapes or a full-time nomad embracing tiny living, you can tailor your Camper Tricycle RV to match your personality and needs. So, who is this for? It's perfect for solo adventurers, digital nomads, eco-conscious travelers, and even retirees looking for a simpler way to explore the world. If you love the idea of an RV but don't want the stress of driving a massive vehicle, this could be your perfect travel companion. The future of travel is changing. More people are looking for compact, efficient, and eco-friendly ways to see the world. The Camper Tricycle RV fits right into this new wave of micromobility and sustainable exploration. It allows you to embrace the freedom of the open road without the usual hassles of large RVs. So, if you're ready to break free from traditional travel and experience the road in a whole new way, maybe it's time to consider the Camper Tricycle RV. Pack your essentials, map out your dream destinations, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. The road is calling. Are you ready to answer?